Perched on a private 12-acre peninsula on Mecox Bay, this 28,000 square foot Hamptons estate thoughtfully balances monumental scale with residential comfort. Architecturally, the three-level residence is oriented to capture the changing coastal light. Upon entry, a grand foyer featuring dual staircases and soaring floor-to-ceiling windows establishes an immediate, airy connection to the surrounding landscape. The main level serves as the social core, featuring a marble-clad kitchen and a formal dining room that flow into an all-season exterior family room. The lower levels and grounds, however, introduce a lifestyle that blurs the line between home and high-end resort. The subterranean amenity hub features a professional gym, a 14-seat movie theater, and a 2-lane bowling alley. If the actual bay feels a bit too breezy, residents can opt for the indoor pool, relax in the steam room, or contemplate life alongside the 750-gallon shark tank in the game room. Outside, the estate extends into a courtyard with a concealed television, a heated pool with a waterfall, and an outdoor dining area, complete with a pizza oven. It is a home built for grand-scale hosting, offering a self-contained sanctuary where leaving the property becomes entirely optional.